MN forms one side of the rectangle, LMNO. They say that LM is twice the length of MN. Complete the drawing of the rectangle LMNO in the square grid below. Before you start drawing, you need to visualize the thing first. Now, they say that it's a rectangle LMNO. So it probably looks something like this. Okay, because it's LMNO. So visualize it first. So when you visualize it, right, draw it separately like this. Then go and label L, M, N, O. After you visualize it, then you'll start drawing. Okay, don't go and start drawing without any planning. Okay, now they say that LM is twice the length of MN. So can we count MN first? So MN is how many? It's one diagonal, two diagonal. So it's two diagonal, right? Which means that LM, which is this, should be four diagonals. So we need to call four diagonals. So it's MN, 1, 2, 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal, 3 diagonal, 4 diagonal. Go and mark out the spot. Here is your L. Always mark out spot, then draw the line. Do not draw the line first without marking out spot. That's how you get it wrong. Okay? Now that I've done this, then go and draw the line. Okay? So usually what I'll do is, okay, usually I have a ruler, but somehow I lost my ruler. So I'm just going to use my EasyLink card. I'm just going to draw. Okay, I'm using pen over here, but you need to use your pencil to draw. So just in case you get it wrong, you'll at least go and erase. Okay, so for this one, just connect the lines down. And remember when you are drawing the lines, right, they cannot be like disconnect. It cannot be disconnected. It must be one straight line down. Okay, so you must be very careful. Now, you have already done this, you've already done this, you've done this. Now you need to bring it down. So when you bring it down, right, how many diagonals down? 1, 2, right? So 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal. Okay. After you're done with this, go and draw this line over here. Go and put a spot and go and put O, then go and connect the line. Okay, once you're done with this, then you can just connect the last line already. Okay, so this will be fairly simple, but I will still insist on the strategy portion because some of you all do not really know how to do it. So which is why I say, for parents who are watching this, right, teach them the first step, go and draw out first. Draw out and help them to visualize. After that, go and do one line by one line. Okay, go and start counting. So when you count, you'll never be wrong. Do not go and draw some weird shape. Instead of drawing this line, you start drawing like this or whatever. Okay, don't do such things. Okay, done.